Okay, so today we cover in CATIA class. Previous day I already uh, cover up to thickness in dress up feature. Okay, so today we'll cover thread and tab. Suppose we create here one type of this one is one type of revolving feature. We can create first, then put it here dimension. Suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, suppose this one is 20. Okay, and here put it here one axis in from the middle y direction, and and then there have a dimension also, suppose 50 here, and also select this one. Okay, and this one is suppose 20 here. Okay, so we can create here suppose exit here. So now this one is shaft, so shaft we can create here. After that we can create here thread. Okay, this one is thread, or you can go from here also, insert dress up feature, that is thread. Okay, so now this one is thread is selected here. Okay, first one is select lateral surface, then select limit surface. So first one is lateral surface is this one, and here limit surface is this one. Okay, so you cannot change here thread diameter because this one is supporting diameter also 40. Okay, here you can change, that is the thread depth. Okay, you can follow, suppose this one is up to 50 and you can change also pitch here, and this one is right handed thread or left handed thread, you can choose as per your requirement. Okay, so now this one is thread showing here, but in case of 3D this one is not showing here. This one is thread created here, you can check from the specification tree or history tree. Also you can go to here start mechanical design, here drafting, start mechanical design drafting. So now this one is third angle projection, this one is first angle projection, suppose choose here okay. So now this one is already coming here. Okay, so this red orange color is now selected. Okay, so after that just right click on the boundary and go to the property here. Okay, property, and choose here hidden line, center line, thread. Okay, all the things. So now this thread is showing here. Okay, also you can double click here and here right click property, so you can hidden line, axis, center line, thread, you can okay choose here. So that is also a thread definition you can create. Okay, so after that you can just put it here, and also you can give the dimension here. Okay, go to the dimension here, thread dimension. Okay, thread dimension you can choose here, suppose this one is 40. Okay, also you can choose here dimension, here thread dimension, suppose this one is 50, this one is diameter is 40. Okay, so that is the dimension of thread. Okay, so I just close this one. Okay, so now this one is thread. If you choose here tab, so what is the difference? Just I delete this thread and then go to the thread or tab option. Here first choose here tab. So lateral surface is the cylindrical surface and limit surface should be a plane surface. Okay, so now this one is already increases by default. This one is the thread diameter is 44, but total diameter is 40. Okay, so that is the difference between thread and tab. This one must be increases. Okay, so that is the main thing, which is thread and tab. Okay, next here you can go here, suppose part design, and then remove surface, remove face. Okay, suppose choose here one rectangle and exit here and then pad it. Okay, pad. Okay, suppose here give not 20. Okay, just suppose 200. So now this one is 200, pad it, and then you can shell it, already showing in the previous video. So just click here and place it here, suppose this one is 10 millimeter. So now this one is 10 millimeter shows here. Okay, after that we can create here fillet. Okay, So suppose we can create here this edge fillet here. Okay, suppose 5 millimeter fillet created here, or suppose maybe 10 millimeter fillet you can create here. Okay, so that is the 10 millimeter fillet. And then here remove face. Okay, remove face. Suppose face to remove is this one, and suppose is this one. Okay, and face to keep is suppose this one and that one. This color is different. Okay, so then okay. Okay, or you can keep it here. This one is clear selection, so now this one is remove face, so these face are deleted. Okay, these two face are deleted. This one is by default, keep it here. Okay, so because this one is not selected, so now this one is by default, keep it here, so that is the remove face. Okay, nothing else. Any fillet or any chamfer surface you can remove by remove face. Okay, then after that we can create here, suppose select this plane and then go to the sketch option, and then here create, okay, this type of sketch. Okay, this type of sketch, and then start here mechanical design, and then go to the surface design for creating the surface. Okay, for creating the surface, so now this one is surface design, entering, and go to the insert wireframe, or go to the surface here extrude. Okay, you can go from here or you can go from here also. So now this one is selected automatically. Okay, this one is surface much more than the solid. Okay, from the top view we cannot see the solid body. Okay, that is the main object. Okay, then okay here. Then after that we can go mechanical design, part design. Okay, mechanical design, part design, and then here that is replace face. Okay, that is replace face. So here replacing surface is which one? This one is replacing surface, and face to remove is which one? This one is face to remove. Okay, so now this one is downward, should be downward. Okay, because this one is not connected, so now this one is connected for downward, and then okay here. So now this solid body automatically increase and follow the nature of the surface. Okay, follow the nature of the surface, so that is the replace face. Okay, so that is the replace face of the surface. So after that we can create next video in the surface, means here surface based feature, split surface, thick surface, closed surface, and sieve surface. Okay, so all of you practice as per your time. Okay, and please like and subscribe and share also.